Hi guys, so today it's a Friday afternoon here in our place. So look, it's a snowy days. Yeah, it's so cold today. Weather is -13 and it's a little bit snowing right now. So I'm in my car. So eto, while I'm waiting for my car to, because I just started it, so kailangan medyo painit muna natin ang makina niya before tayo gumora. So ayan guys, it's snowing outside, so I can show you. See, if you can see, the weather is -13, as you can see there. So, hindi nyo naman. So, yan o, dahil mainit, so yung windshield ko, ayan o, outside. Medyo, parang makulimlim dahil sa weather. Because of the weather, it's snowing outside. And it's so cold. So, yan ang McDonald's here. I'm on the parking at front of the McDonald's. So, I am done my shift for today. Anyway, so magdadrive na ako, guys. So, drive safely kasi medyo snowy ang kalsada at medyo madulas ng konti. So, guys, yeah. See you in a bit, guys. Let you know if I'm at home. Bye! I'm already here, guys. I'm home. So this is the way to our backyard. Look at my backyard, guys. See, full of snow. Ayan. Here, so cold. You know, it's so freaking cold. So malamig. My husband. My daughter. Yung anak kong makulit. Bonchoy. So I'm going to remove my... So right now, lahat ng mga